Hello everybody, you're back here with your boy Deathrow, and we're showing you how to cook broccoli. Yes folks, as you can see the water's just semi-boiling at the moment. We're going to get it when it's rough, a hard boil. I'll be right back with that. Right, it's now boiling at a good rate. What we're going to do is we grab our broccoli, fresh broccoli of course, just chuck it in. Now, one more piece, that's it. You just give it, I give it a bit of turn, but all you do now is you wait 2 to 3 minutes at the most, and your broccoli is cooked. You don't actually have to do it any longer, you do it any more, it's overcooked. So once the boil comes back into play, obviously when you put stuff into water, it's still boiling hot, but things calm down a bit. So it's cooking nicely. I don't know if I should do the full time on here, 2 to 3 minutes watching broccoli is pretty boring, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it up and we'll bring it back for you. Okay, we're just about done. Let's give it 30 seconds. The broccoli is cooked. Any longer it would have been, we pushed it to 3 minutes folks. So the 3 minutes, that's probably the most you'd do it. The reason I pushed it to 3 minutes is because it's always good for me to just make sure you can eat it raw, but I prefer my broccoli, not as crunchy as some other people, so that's why I do it for 3 minutes and not 2 or 2.5. There we go folks. Turn the ring off, turn the stove off, take it off the heat, and that's it. Thank you very much. This is your boy Detro showing you how to cook broccoli.